Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss operators available in Python. Okay, so before discussing types of operators, I just want to tell you what exactly operators is. Okay, what is meaning of operator? See, in very simple word, operators are the symbols which are responsible for performing either arithmetic or logical operation in program. What I said, in very simple word, we can define operators. So what exactly operators is? Operators are the symbols which are responsible for performing either arithmetic or logical operation in program. Okay. Now Python supports various types of operator. So broadly it is divided into 7 different categories. Okay. So first type is arithmetic operators. Then second is assignment operators. Next one is comparison operators. Then logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Okay, so every category is having some set of symbols. Like arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, assignment operators include addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment. Then comparison operator includes less than, greater than. So logical operators include and, or. Similarly, bitwise also include bitwise and bitwise or. So all those operators, every type of operator here will discuss in detail. Okay, with the help of example. So I hope you are getting what exactly operator is and what are the different types of operators available in Python. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.